Hey everybody, Cameron Lewis with We Live in a Church, and I just wanted to give you a quick little update. So the best part about these being out and about videos is the dashcam footage. And unfortunately our dashcam is kind of on the fritz. Like, it's recording and it's saving videos, but our longer videos, such as the ones, that we need for this one, unfortunately are not saving the full drive. So we are kind of out of luck for that. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna include all the video that we shot outside of the car and a couple of the videos from inside of the car. And yeah, we're gonna try to make the video with that. So I did have my wife send me some videos that she got, so we will have that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to the video. See you out there. Hello everybody, Cameron Lewis with We Live in a Church, and it's about the start of autumn. And when you hear autumn, a lot of people like to talk about the foliage in New England and how it looks so amazing this time of year. And yet everybody's missing this hidden gem right here in the middle of nowhere. This is Success Loop in White Pine County, and we might have gotten here a little early because some of the trees are still pretty green, but as you can see, there's a lot of reds and yellows already starting to make their appearance. So let's go take a look and see how the rest of it's looking. So with these trees, if we look over here, you'll see that a lot of people have carved names onto these. Somebody had a bad day there. Anyway, pretty much every single one of these trees has been carved on. And I'm not mad about it because if we look over here, this, even though it's old, it's spread out, but that is me and my wife back when we were still dating. You can kind of see what's left of an L right here. There's her initials, yeah. But this is our tree. And I guess a few other people's as well. Yeah. And this is the view looking up the road. You'll get to see a little more of that again here in a little bit. Yeah, look at this. It's amazing. And all anybody ever wants to talk about is New England. And you look up there, yeah, that's the tree that I just showed you that has mine and my wife's initials carved into it. It's already turning red, nice and yellow. And then you can see up there, there's more of them. And this grove of aspens actually goes the entire length of this whole trail. If you do decide to come out here and take this drive yourself, give yourself about 2 hours to complete the full loop. It starts just north of McGill, Nevada. It'll take you up and over Success Summit, and then you'll come out at the turnoff for Cave Lake, which is south of Ely, Nevada. I don't have an exact number on mileage right now, but I can look it up and include it, somewhere on the screen right here. So yeah, it's well worth the drive out here, well worth the trip. As you can see, it just looks absolutely amazing behind me. So yeah, come check it out next fall. Oh, and before I forget, make sure to check out our Instagram because we are going to be taking a lot of pictures on this particular drive, and well, that's where we're going to upload them. So go check it out. So as you can see, that grove of aspens is on the south side of this pass as well. It actually follows a creek that goes down. I believe this is the beginnings of Steptoe Creek. I might be wrong. Looking back that way, that's the way we just came from. Look at all of these interesting rock formations. And we're looking back this way, which, if we keep going that way, we'll end up at the turnoff for Cave Lake, which currently is closed due to the fact that they had to work on the dam. But as far as I know, they got the dam finished and they're just waiting on everything to refill right now. So. So as you can see, trees on the north side, south side, haven't changed quite as quick because, well, they get a little more sun, but they are starting to change a little bit. And there's the creek. It's not very big, high, but it's water, and that's why all these aspens are congregated right along here. And something that you wouldn't expect to find in the middle of a desert are these thistles. As you can see, they've kind of gone to seed already, but there's still a few buds that have not. Yeah, pardon the shadow of me there. Hello again. Cool little waterfall here. And as you can see, there are a lot of opportunities for rock hounding here. This is a very pretty specimen right here. So, funny enough, until recently, all of these campsites, including the one that we're at right now, used to be owned by a local company called Blue Diamond Estates. And it appears since then, well, since the last time we've been up here, that they have been taken over by the Nevada Department of Wildlife. So, if you want to camp at one of these campsites up here, they have quite a few of them. Just go talk to the Nevada Department of Wildlife, reserve you a spot. And yeah, there's some flies up here, but hey, it's outdoors. What do you expect? All right, you can hear this creek right next to us. Sound of the car is fading away because we're walking away from it. See, there's the creek. This campsite that we're currently at, though, you have to drive through the creek to get up here. I know, it's a little sketchy at first, but it's something you easily get used to. Yeah, I'm not going in after that rock, but you can see through the water. It looks pretty cool. That's a big old piece of quartz in there. There's actually two of them. And I'm not going to tell my wife about that because I don't want her sending me in after them. But yeah, there you go. So one thing I probably should mention about the water from this creek is if you do go camping up here, and you decide you want to drink this water, make sure you boil it first. I mean, that's just good practice when you're out and about if you don't know the exact quality of the water, because there is a good chance that this water might have Giardia in it, which is a bacteria that can cause really bad things to happen in your tummy. So don't be dumb, just boil the water before you drink it. So I thought I'd let you guys know that we are turning around here. We're not going to come out on the Cave Lake side. We're actually going to go back up and over because there's a few spots on the other side that are very pretty for pictures right about now. And unfortunately, since we are here early, we want to go get the good pictures. So those are going to be on our Instagram. We might make a second trip out here later this month because, well, as you can see, it's still very green on this side. So we want to get some good footage. So yeah, time to turn around, go back. So this is the hill that's kind of considered the top of the summit for Success Loop. Look down there, that's an amazing little grove right there with some nice color to it. And down that way is the way we just came. There's our car. So yeah, way off that way is Cave Lake. And then coming back over this way, way off that way, let me zoom in for you this time. We've got the Duck Creek Basin over there. Steptoe Valley, on the other side of that little ridge right there, you can see the mountains getting occluded by smoke the further up you go. Yeah, that's where we came in, that's where we're gonna head back out, and we're gonna head back down from right over here and get some good pictures and videos, because as you can see over there, where all the colorful trees are, look at that. And then there's that grove. Just looks amazing, doesn't it? So yeah, here we are at the top. It's windy as hell, like always. And you can see some of the trees down there. Let me get zoomed in for you here. Look at that. It's amazing, isn't it? Another little grove off over there. Yeah. So yeah. And this is our annual tradition. We come up here every year, take pictures, a little bit of video. Sometimes we'll come up in the summertime and camp. I mean, just look at that up there. Look at all of that. It's amazing. Unfortunately, we can't get to those groves, which sucks because look at all that red. All right, well, now time to head back down and get some pictures, some videos. The pictures will definitely end up on our Instagram, so be sure to go check that out. Hello everybody, again I'm Cameron Lewis with We Live in a Church, and this is part 2 of our Success Loop series. I think there's only going to be 2 parts this year because, well, as you can see, most of the trees are naked. We waited a little too long. I blame my work schedule for most of that because I had to work the last 5 days and now I've got today off. There are some trees that look really pretty, but they also have kind of a faded look to them, and well, that's not why people come out here. People come out here for the trees that, you know, they're looking amazing, and I'm going to show you what some of them look like right now. So as you can see, there's still some green trees. They do have kind of an orange, red, yellow to them, but it's a little faded compared to what it looked like last time. And that means we're a little late. And it never fails, coming up here on Success Loop, it's always a crapshoot as to what time of the year is going to look the best. So yeah, it's usually right around, you know, mid-September to mid-October, and unfortunately this season was just a little earlier and a lot shorter. So we're going to continue on down, and we're actually going to start filming the next video as soon as we get to the other end of this road, where we're going to be going up and over Kalamazoo Summit. So stay tuned for that. Also, I do plan on getting some pictures, but not with my phone. With this. Yes, this is a real Polaroid. Yes, it still works. Yes, you can still find film for them. Just don't be buying up all of it. I need some for this. So you've seen most of our trip over Kalamazoo Summit so far. I did turn around and show you the view of where we came from once we got to the top. Now I'm gonna show you part of the view from the other side, not through the dash cam. So take a look. All right, that's the aspens that you saw just behind me. And let's get a little closer to the edge of this road here. And you can see, they go all the way down there. There's some more of the road that I'm gonna be on. Some more of the road back there, I think. No, that actually looks like a different road. Cool. Maybe. We'll find out. Then you've got all these tall pine trees here. These are limber pines or white pines, which is where this county gets its name. You can see a lot more up that way. As we go down this canyon, we'll actually come out into North Spring Valley. And, well, you'll see that once we get down there. But yeah, here's what it looks like. And this is one of the least traveled paths here in White Pine County, mainly because Success Loop gets all the attention. In fact, let's zoom in over here. Look at that. Some awesome colors there, huh? All right, time to get on with our drive. So again, that was our 2 trips up and over Success Loop and then over Kalamazoo Summit. Unfortunately, like I said, our dash cam, while it was recording, it didn't save the videos the way it was supposed to. So if you guys want to help us out and get us a new dash cam, we're gonna leave the link to our Patreon in the description, and yeah, you can help support us there by signing up. So until next time.